In order to use catalog items, you will need to set up the item numbering in the catalog item setup. I search for this. And choose catalog item setup. Here I define the number that my catalog item should have when I convert it into a regular item. I can choose between 4 options. These are the vendor item number, the manufacturing number, and the vendor item number, the vendor item number and the manufacturer, and the entry number. When I use a combination of the vendor item number and the manufacturer, I can put in a separator, and I can find this here in this field. Another thing that I need to have set up before I can use catalog items is item templates. These are set up under items. You can see how to make item templates in another video.